Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about a static visual or text boxes in Power BI. So let's start. I've got this file open here with me and I also push this onto GitHub so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's say I've got this page here with me and it's got some visuals and I want to basically have a header or a heading for this. So I can use the text box. I'll remove this, and with all of these I just want to check how they're placed. I'll go on to the home page and I'll go on to text box and I'll click it, and I'm just going to drag this. Oops, we call it something, and then I'm going to try and move this. So I'll just call it my first text box, my first report, sorry. And then I'll just format it. So I'll just select this, I'll increase the, let's see, I'll just change the text to 28, a little more, maybe 34 or 36. I'll center it and I'll change the color to maybe a different one. That's it. And I'll maybe make this bold and underline. And maybe I can just call it so you can use it to create static visuals in Power BI, and you can use it to use text, which is not going to change much. So in this video we learned about a static visual called the text box in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.